Hi guys, I'm here today to share what I received from eCloth. So I signed up for this with this company called Tryazon, and you get to try products and have a party at your home and share with your friends. So I just opened my box and I wanted to share what I got. So here's everything. It is a big long box to share with my friends. And here's a little something for me. I'll open that soon, but I wanted to share everything that I got so you can see what it is. So it looks like there's several of these. This is what I get to share with my friends. It says, sample not for resale. Here comes your wow moment. Clean the inside of your vehicle windows with an eCloth and just water. Perfect finish, streak-free, film-free, and polished. So these products are made to be used just with water, and you don't need any chemicals. So I get to try all this out, and so do my friends. So I've got several of the car window cloths, which I should open that up. Hold on a second, I'll open one up. Okay, so here it is, and you open it up. You have this cloth, which is actually very nice and large. If I could get it opened up. I never do this one-handed, and I'm terrible at it, so you can see it's pretty big. And it's different feeling. There's a close-up of the way the fabric looks. Glass and polishing cloth. It says use dry on a dampened surface to remove smudges and light grime. Brings a perfect streak-free, smear-free, lint-free, and polished finish to glass on all shiny surfaces using just water. And it says first, wet the surface with a water spray or damp cloth. Wipe the damp surface with the dry glass and polishing cloth. A tip here is when the glass and polishing cloth gets too damp, it is less effective at drying to a streak-free finish. And let's see, it says proven bacterial removal, removes over 99% of bacteria, clinically tested by Silica research with 45 laboratories worldwide. eCloth proven to remove over 99% of bacteria, including E. coli and Listeria, from hard surfaces using only water. Add just a warm rinse. The rate of bacteria transfer from one surface to another is 0.01%. It has the Good Housekeeping seal. And it says using eCloth with just water reduces the need for chemicals, which can have harmful effects, especially on mothers and babies and those who suffer from allergies, asthma, and chemical sensitivities. And this tells you how to take care of your cloth. And it's guaranteed 300 wash. Here's all the things you can use it on. So let's move on to the next item. We've got classic check dish towel. Perfect cleaning with just water. 4 times better performance than other kitchen towels. So this is a nice big towel, and it's really soft. Classic check dish towel. 4 times better performance than other kitchen towels. So there's that one. We have a kitchen dynamo for cleaning sinks, faucets, counters, and inside mugs, cups, and glasses. So that's the green part's soft and has a little, this blue strip is like a scouring, so it's stiffer. And it tells all this. You can pause and read it, because I'll be here forever if I read everything. Sinks, faucets, counters, mugs, cups, and glasses. So that's awesome. And then we have, oh, this is for the doggy dish. It's shaped like a dog bone. This is a pet bowl scrubber. Separates pet from kitchen cleaning. Removes bacteria and food debris. Scrubby side for stubborn, stuck on mess. So here's the one side. This one's soft. And then this side is scrubby. And here's the UPC. Here's the website. If you want to look that up. And I'll put a link to their site and to Tryazon down below, so if you want to sign up too. This is another glass and polishing cloth. So this is how they would come regularly. The other ones were just samples. So again, here's the UPC for that. Let's see, we have a general purpose cloth. Removes grease, grime, and bacteria from all hard surfaces. And there's a little there, which is nice and soft too. And then we have a window cleaning, and there's two cloths in here. One removes all dirt and grime, one dries to a streak-free finish. So here are the two window cleaning cloths. This one you can see has texture. That's for the grime and dirt. And this is your drying cloth, which is like the other blue ones. But see, they're all different colors, so you can keep track of what they're for, since they have different uses. So you have their window cleaning cloths, and here's some instructions to go along with it. And we have a dusting glove. Fits most hands. Use on left or right hand. Okay, here's the dusting mitt. So it's got a piece of cardboard in it, so I can't get my hand in, but I wanted to pull it out so you can see it. It's soft. And it has a little fuzzy so it can grip your dust. And it has finished edges and has a little bit of elastic in here to hold it on your arm. So that's nice. And then we have a stainless steel cleaning cloth, and there's two in here. And again, this one, the light color is soft and the dark color is like a rougher. And then another one of these in gray for the final cleaning. So your cleaner and your polisher. It says removes over 99% of bacteria. It has a 300 wash guarantee. Clean fast, clean easier, clean faster, live healthier. Here's the UPC for that. And the directions are, oops, wet the stainless steel cloth and wring it out. Wipe the striped side along the grain on brushed steel. Use the smooth side on polished steel. Wipe surface with the dry glass and polishing cloth. One side of the stainless steel cloth has stiffer fiber stripes to clean into the grain of brushed stainless steel. The smooth side cleans polished surfaces. The glass and polishing cloth gives a streak-free, lint-free, smear-free finish to both finish to both finishes, all using just water. Let's see, we have a washing pad. This would like be in place of your steel wool. Dual-sided, non-scratch, safe on non-stick finishes. This is what the other side looks like. Here's the other side. It's like spongy-like, soft, and here's the finished edge. This is used with just water or detergent. Use the non-scratch scouring side on cookware, bakeware, and hardened messes on dishes and cutlery. It's hard to read it through the camera. Here's the UPC for that one. Let's see, we have another kitchen cleaning cloth. I think I already had, no, this one, the other one was windows. So then again, we have a cleaner and a polisher. One removes grease, grime, and bacteria, and the other one polishes all shiny surfaces. There's the UPC for that one. Wet the kitchen cloth and wring out. Wipe the surface to be cleaned. Wipe surface with the dry glass and polishing cloth. Let's see, what is this one? Home cleaning 8 cloths. So this is a set. You can buy a whole set of cloths if you don't want to buy them individually. So they do have a home cleaning set with 8 of them. And here is the UPC for that. And that comes with a kitchen cloth, a stainless steel cloth, a range and stove top cloth, bathroom cloth, window cloth, glass and polishing cloth, and a dust cloth. So that's nice. And we got 2 more things here. We got an e-cloth spray bottle that we can fill with water. And that is, I'm not sure how many ounces it is. Probably like 8 ounces. 8.5. There's the UPC. I don't know if you can see that. 8.5 ounces. And there's an item number. And the last item is for cleaning the floor. Deep clean moth. Deep clean moth. Deep clean mop. It says lightweight aluminum telescopic handle, leaves floors drier and really clean. And here is the floor. And here is the handle. It's got a nice rubbery gripper with a hole for hanging. And here's the hole, and then that telescopes. And it attaches on here. And here's the base of it. So it says remove it and wet it, and then start mopping. And I just got new floors put in, wood floors, so this is going to work out great. I'm getting rid of all my carpet in the house, and my husband and I are doing it ourselves. So we're doing just a little bit at a time. I'm sitting here in my dining room on this icky carpet, which will be next. Okay, so they sent me some coupons to share. So it's e-cloth. You want to save 20% off your order. Go online to ecloth.com and enter the code Tryazon. You can use one coupon There's no minimum purchase, and it expires July 31st. So if you'd like to try out the eCloth, head on over to ecloth.com, enter Tryazon, and save 20% off your order. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comments. And I'll have a link to Tryazon and eCloth in the description, so you could just click on it. So thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.